and welcome to LaBLiFe. My name is Denise Ralph and we're filming on location today at Walmer Hill in Surrey. In this video I'd like to take you through the EduLab portable student balance. Take it out of the box, place that there. It comes with the mains cable, which we're not going to use today, but it also takes 4 AA batteries, which I've already put into the unit. It needs to be on a flat surface. So on one side we have an on off button and tear button, display and a unit button on the opposite side. And if I push the on off button, it will calibrate down to 0. Once it calibrates to 0, it is ready to use. So if you need to weigh something, a powder or a metal substance, you use a weigh boat, or in this case I'm using a beaker. I place the beaker onto the unit, push the tear button, and it will take it back to 0. So now it is only going to weigh the substance I put into the beaker. It displays the weight, so weigh it out. And if you have an item that doesn't need a weigh boat, push the tear button, it takes it back to 0, place the item onto the balance, and it will give me the weight of the item. So thank you for watching today. I look forward to any feedback or comments, and look forward to seeing you again soon.